One day long ago, and far away, a milkmaid was going to market. On her head was a pail of milk. As she went, she made plans. I shall sell my pail of milk. Maybe I shall get chickens. The chickens will lay eggs by Christmas. I will have 100. I shall sell them and get a dress. I shall look so pretty. Everyone will want to walk with me. Shall I let them know? I shall toss my head. I said and say. Just then she did toss her head, and down went the pail. No milk, she said sadly.
Sadly.
No milk, no chicken, no chicken, no egg, no eggs, no dress.
Oh no! Good job, baby.